Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll first confirm compatibility. The headset must support HFP or HSB so the mic can be used. Once done, turn on Bluetooth and make the headset discoverable. This begins pairing. On your phone or computer, open Bluetooth settings and select the headset to pair. Make sure battery levels are sufficient because low power can block microphone negotiation. If pairing asks for a code, try 0000 or 1234. This starts the connection process and hands control to the next configuration steps. Once paired, you must enable the microphone profile. Many systems ask to switch from audio sync to hands-free. On your computer or phone, open Sound or Input settings and choose the headset as the input device so apps receive audio from it. If the OS doesn't expose HFP, use a Bluetooth adapter that supports microphone profiles or a companion app that bridges profiles. Make sure sample rates and formats match the app requirements, because mismatches cause silence or distortion. After selection, run a quick input test to verify. Now set the headset as the default input both in the OS and within any app you use. This ensures the mic is selected automatically. Adjust input gain and test for latency. If speech sounds delayed, lower sample rates or use wired mode if available. Make sure microphone privacy permissions are granted to the app. If the mic doesn't work, unpair and repair the devices, update Bluetooth drivers or firmware, and try another headset or adapter. This single troubleshooting step solves most connectivity and profile negotiation failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.